Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Chevy Traverse. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Carefully position the donor vehicle near your Traverse, ensuring they do not make contact. Confirm both vehicles are completely off, with their parking brakes securely engaged. Finally, locate the battery in your Chevy Traverse, which is usually found under the hood, to prepare for the next steps. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one end of the red, positive jumper cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Traverse battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the other end of the red, positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Double-check that both connections are firm and clean to ensure a good electrical flow. Next, we'll handle the negative connections. Connect one end of the black negative jumper cable to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. This terminal is typically marked with a minus sign. For the other end of the black cable, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Traverse's engine block or frame away from the battery. This provides a safe ground connection, preventing sparks near the battery. With all cables connected, start the donor vehicle and allow it to run for approximately 5 minutes. This provides a preliminary charge to your Traverse's battery. After this period, try starting your Chevy Traverse. Once it starts, carefully disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First the black negative cables, then the red positive cables. Finally, drive your Traverse for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.